Today we'll be unboxing the entire Call of Duty Black Ops 7 set from Corsair, and if you love Call of Duty and tech, this video is for you. Man, I absolutely love doing unboxings, man. So we're gonna be unboxing the Call of Duty Black Ops 7 K65 Plus wireless keyboard from Corsair. This thing is gonna be nice. Yeah, this is gonna be my third, oh, this is nice, hold on. This is going to be my third K65 Plus wireless keyboard from Corsair. So of course, in the box, you get your keyboard, your keycap puller, you got your USB-C cord. What else we got in here? That's it. Of course, the keyboard comes protected, which is also appreciated. Just look at the design of this. Sound check. Of course, the rotary dial feels just as tactile and sturdy as before. And I love the color scheme on this one, man. And of course, the orange accent on the escape key. That's pretty cool. This video is indeed sponsored by Corsair. Make sure you guys go ahead and drop a like and follow. If you guys like any of the gear you see inside this video, you can go ahead and use code Trevoir at checkout to go ahead and save yourself some money. All right, so next up we have the MM300 mousepad from Corsair. Of course, the Black Ops 7 edition. I haven't seen this yet, so I wonder how it looks. Okay, there's a pull tab right here. I should just pull this and make it easier on myself, right? Yeah. Doing all that extra stuff for no reason. All right. Okay, a little digital print I see happening back there. Ooh. Oh, this is a big mousepad. This is a huge mousepad, and I love it. I could use this as a backdrop for future unboxings. And of course, the top portion here, you have the Corsair logo and the digital print. And then I'm pretty sure that's a Cerberus or Chimera. Chat, what do you guys call this design? Because I see a serpent, a goat head, and a tiger, right? What it was to be? This can't be a Cerberus. Cerberus is like four-headed dog, right? Anyways, dope design, dope print, huge mousepad. Right, next up, we have the M75 wireless mouse. Let's go ahead and take a look at this bad boy. If there's one thing I can say about these mouse, the packaging is always top tier and the design is always elite. Before I take it out, you can see it comes with the customizable side buttons, which is pretty cool. And of course, the USB dongle. And this thing is always snug. Top tier packaging, and boom, there you have it. The M75 wireless mouse from Corsair, the Black Ops 7 edition. Look at that thing. Clean. Look at that digital print. So nice. And what we got here is the HS80 RGB wireless headset from Corsair. Of course, it's the Black Ops 7 edition. Let's go ahead and break open this bad boy. I have a ton of gaming headsets and I don't have this particular version. So it should be pretty interesting to unbox and of course try out. I'm a Virtuoso and Virtuoso Max aficionado. You know what I'm saying? That's my steez. I haven't rocked any of the HS80s yet. Again, nice packaging. I just love that this is an entire Black Ops 7 set, man. Everything is just made for each other. So clean. Of course, built-in mic, pretty cool. The padding is pretty soft, as expected. Nobody wants a rough, abrasive padding on the ear hole when they, gaming for a long period of time. Is that leather? It's like faux leather. Design on both sides of the headset is dope. Ooh, Dolby branding on top. Okay, I see you, Corsair, I see you. I'm excited to try this headset. Get the power on, off button, volume. So yeah, this is the HS80 RGB wireless headset from Corsair. So if you made it this far in the video, let me know down in the comments which piece of gear that you're thinking about getting, or you're gonna get the entire Black Ops 7 set. Of course, don't forget to go ahead and like the video, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Make sure you guys use code Trevoir at checkout. Bye. All right, let's go ahead and check out this Badman headset. Your boy ready, see? Ready for war, chat. Bink, 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 bink.